Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burger patties like Jollibee easy method. Mix ground beef, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a splash of water. Combine gently until just mixed. Shape into even patties about 3.5 inches across and chill for 20 minutes to hold form. Cook on a hot griddle to develop a caramelized crust, flipping once, and rest briefly before assembling for best juiciness and texture. Start by placing ground beef in a bowl, then add breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix slowly with a fork until just combined. Overmixing squeezes out juices and makes patties dense. Form equal portions and press a shallow dimple in each patty to prevent bulging during cooking. Chill the patties briefly in the fridge so they firm up and hold shape when transferred to the hot pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and cookbooks while you prep, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in a kitchen drawer. It's perfect for following step-by-step guides hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat your griddle or skillet to medium-high and oil lightly to prevent sticking. Place chilled patties on the hot surface and let them sear undisturbed until a brown crust forms, about 3 to 4 minutes per side depending on thickness. Flip once and cook until internal temperature reaches your desired doneness. Remove and let patties rest briefly so juices redistribute, then build your burger with soft buns and pickles for that signature Jollibee style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.